Barugahara Ateny, Minister of Local Government.
Congratulations, Honorable Minister. Bible in your right hand. Start with allegiance and then
Oath of allegiance. I, Barugahara Balaama Ateny, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. Oath of a minister. I, Barugahara Balaama Ateny, being appointed a minister of Uganda, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda in the office of a minister, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established, and that I will, to the best of my judgment and at all times when required, freely give my counsel and advice to His Excellency the President of Uganda and his successors in office as by law established for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Uganda, and that I will not directly or indirectly reveal any matter as shall come to my knowledge in discharge of my duty and committed to my secrecy. So help me God.